Video I will explain you how to remove the duplicate characters from the given string. So basically I'm using Java language. I have created one class remove duplicate characters, and I have one main method public static void main, and in this main method I have string str is equal to programming. So this is our string, and we want to remove the duplicate characters from the given string. If so The second occurrence of the string, second occurrence of the character, so means for example we can see that r is double here, m is two times, again g is two times. So if we remove this second occurrence of the character, then our final output will be like this, without any duplicate characters. So we want to print this, and we want to remove all the duplicate characters from the given string. So for that I have written this code. So let's see how we can remove the characters. So this is string result. So initially I have kept it as a empty result variable, and then for loop integer I is equal to 0, I less than str dot length. So this will give the length of the given string. So now it's 11, so length of the string. So loop will execute from 0 to I less than 11 I plus plus. So this is our for loop, and inside the for loop we have condition, if condition, if result dot index of str dot caret I is equal to minus 1. If the condition is true, then result is equal to result plus str dot caret I. So what is this? We need to understand this first. And so let's see inside this index of, so str dot caret I. So when I is 0, so for that str dot caret 0, we will get the 0th place. This is the 0th index. We will get the p. Is this is str dot caret 0 will give us p. So index of p, result dot index of p. So we don't have p inside the result. Result is initially empty. So if p is present inside the result, which means result dot index of p will give us like 0 1 2 3, right? So the index of p, but here p is not present, the string is completely empty, yes, result string. So it will give the minus 1, that a character is not present in the result, that's why it will give minus 1. Here the condition is satisfied, minus 1 is equal to minus 1, so which is true. Then what will happen is result is equal to result plus str dot caret I. So again str dot caret 0. Then now initially result is empty, so result is equal to p. So directly result will become as a p. So this is the first operation iteration. Now let's again value of I will increase from 0 to 1. So in this case what will happen is str dot caret 1, so it will give r. Again result dot index of r. What is index of r? So r is not present inside the result, now only p is present inside the index, right? Result is updated here, so only p is present. Result dot index of r is equal to not there, so it will give minus 1. If r is present there, then it will give 0 1, whatever the place of that index, r index, right? So now it will give minus 1 as it is not present inside the result. So minus 1 is equal to minus 1, condition satisfied. Again result is p plus str dot caret 1 will be r, so it will become as a pr. So same way I value will increase from 1 to 2. Again we will get str dot caret 2 will be 0. This o, so result dot index of o. So here o is not present, so it's just pr. So what will it will give minus 1. So minus 1 is equal to minus 1, condition satisfied. Again result is pr plus str dot caret 2 will become the this summation will become as a O, PRO. So same way value will keep increasing. Now 2 to 3 we will get G. Again str dot caret 3 will be G. Then result of index of G is equal to that will be minus 1, is equal to minus 1. So condition will be satisfied. Then again G. Again for R, now it's R. So for the fourth position we have uh, for I is equal to 4, str dot caret 4 is now R. So result dot index of R. So it will give us 1, right? 1 is equal to minus 1. So why 1? Because now result is prog, right? So here R is present on the first place. So P is on 0th place, R is on the first place. O is on the second place, G on the third place, right? So result dot index of R. So it will give 1. So 1 is equal to minus 1. It's not there, true, then it will not execute this loop again. So which means we are not printing the duplicate variable, right? Again it will increase I value from 4 to 5. Again it will check its A. So str dot caret 5 will be A. Then the result dot index of A will be minus 1 because A is not present in the prog, right? So again it will become result prog plus str dot caret 5 will be A. It will become prog A. So same way again we can see that m it's there. So initially m is not there in the prog A, so it will condition will satisfy again m. So for the seventh iteration, for the I value 7, str dot caret 7 will be m. So now result is progam. M is present here. So index of m will become as a whatever this position is 0 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 is equal to minus 1. Yeah, condition will not be satisfied, then it will not execute this loop. So this is how we will get the characters, all the unique characters, not the duplicate characters in the result. So this is our final output that we will get. So let's print and I have outside this for loop I have written printing statement system.out.println. After removing characters, after removing duplicates, then a result we are printing here. So let's run the code and check whether we have written correct code or not. After removing duplicates, we got progamin. So those are the unique characters and there is no any duplicate characters inside this string. So this is how we can find the uh, this is how we can remove the duplicate characters from the string. So let's change string to something else, currency. Currency. So now here we can see that C is 2 times, R is 2 times. Let's remove these duplicate characters. And we got CURENY, right? So this is the unique string without any duplicate characters. So this is how we can find the we can remove the duplicate characters from the string. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.